If you want to turn on guidelines for your YouTube video comments by using your iPad, first open any browser. For now I just open Safari and open the new tab and just click Google. Click this and just type studio.youtube.com. Just like that, and search. Now long press over this and click open in new window. Click these three dots, full screen. For me it's directly landed on this site. If it shows open YT Studio or continue to YT Studio, you need to click this bottom option, continue to YT Studio. Then you will land on this page. Then click this, and if you want to change the account, switch account and change the YouTube channel account. If it shows sign in, just sign in to your YouTube channel. After you see this page, just click this settings and click community moderation, and here you can see this option, channel guidelines. Click that. Yeah, this is the thing. Here you can see experimental. If your YouTube channel was monetized, most probably you will see this option. So here is the welcome message. Just type, hey guys, welcome to our channel, like that stuff. And here you can add the guidelines. You can add up to 3 guidelines. You can use the default guidelines like this, be civil and respectful, or if you want to add another guideline, click this, and here you can just type like this, being respectful, just like that. So it's your wish, or you can also add the default. I just click this and add the default, challenge the argument on the person, like that stuff. So then if you click save, that's it, it's done. Your new guideline section was turned on for your YouTube video comment section. If a user first time, if they want to comment, means they will see the guidelines warning, I mean the pop-up. So this is how it works, and if you want to know more videos about YouTube, watch this video.